ATVs and side-by-sides are so much more than recreational use. You know, it seems like in the past we would go buy one, go out and hit the trails, and we were good with that. But nowadays, with all the accessories hitting the market, there's a lot more opportunities for us to use our machines for way more than we ever thought of. And the Wild Hare implement system is one of those tools that's great for your ATV, and you'd be amazed what you could do with it. The Wild Hare implement system is a fully hydraulic setup that mounts to your ATV and turns it into a mini tractor. So whether you're looking to use the front loader or the rear 3-point hitch, Wild Hare has all kinds of options to fit your needs.
The Wild Hare system is made out of laser cut high strength steel, so it's different than some of the competitive units, and they're powder coated, so it allows for higher strength to weight ratio. So one of the keys with a bucket or with a system like ours is to be able to lighten up the material so that you can put more material in the front of the bucket and carry, so that you aren't carrying as much weight in the bucket itself, but have it strong enough to be able to handle the loads that you're carrying. So when we use high strength low alloy steels, you can lighten up the bucket and then carry more materials in it.
This is a great tool to add to your ATV, and it's kind of like in between the guy with a wheelbarrow and a shovel and the guy with a big tractor. Maybe you don't have room for a big tractor or the budget for a big tractor. So to add this onto your ATV is really kind of perfect for the person that has a small farm. Maybe you're doing some landscaping or a hunting lease. You have the same options and features as a big tractor, but in a much smaller package. On the front of our Wild Hare, we have the fork set up right now, and the nice thing about the forks is you can lift up to 300 pounds up to 5 foot high, and then in a matter of seconds you can change it out for the bucket. And with the bucket it's the same. You can lift up to 300 pounds up to 5 foot high, and it has 300 pounds of force whether you're pushing, pulling, digging, no matter what it is. And then when we come to the rear of the ATV, you'll notice that we have the whole hydraulic system on the rear rack, and then it also has a separate battery that it runs off of, so that way it doesn't drain the battery on your ATV. And then back here we have a 3-point hitch, and this is nice whenever we're putting in food plots because we'll put our cultivator or disc on here. But right now we have a 50-inch box plate on, and with us having a gravel driveway, when it rains, it gets rutted out, this really comes in handy. We have our Wild Hare implement system set up on our Suzuki King Quad 750, and really this will fit just about any ATV 400 cc's and up. And something else you'll definitely want to do is add the suspension lock that they send you, because it really keeps your suspension from compressing whenever you're hauling heavy loads and makes it much more stable.
The great thing about our system is that it can grow with you, so as you need new implements or new things for new projects around your house, those can be purchased, and our goal is to continue to develop implements to handle different chores.
We've been using our Wild Hare implement system around our property to maintain our driveway, work on our trails, put in food plots, and the fork option's been great for unloading trucks and moving skids around. It's a real time and money saver. And if you're looking to get the most out of your ATV, the Wild Hare implement system will turn it into a true workhorse.